First, let's draw a bar to represent the total number of chocolates that Arthur have. So we'll draw a long bar here. This bar represents all the chocolates that he has. Now, if he were to give each classmate 4 chocolates, so the first classmate gets 4, the second classmate gets 4, 4, 4, 4, everyone gets 4. In the end, there were so many classmates. We don't know how many classmates at this moment. We will represent that with a question mark. He will have 23 chocolates left, so the leftover chocolate should be this portion here. He did not use up all the chocolates he has. Now there's a second conditional sentence. So let's draw his total chocolates again. In the second situation, okay, in situation B, he decides to give 5. Everyone gets 5. The first person gets 5, the second person gets 5, 5, 5, 5. Everybody gets 5. It is still the same number of students represented by the question mark, but there is not enough, so he will need to go buy some more. He will get another 15 more. So this 15 does not belong to him. He needs to buy 15 more chocolates. Then he will have enough. So how many chocolates does he need? In the first situation, he needs from here all the way to here. This is the total he needs in situation A. So let's call it total A. Total is situation A. And this is what he needs in situation B. So we shall call this the total B. Now the purpose for marking out the total A and total B is to let us compare the difference. You notice that total B is longer than total A by this portion here. So this should be the TD, the total difference. Hence, and then this portion here is 5 minus 4 is the ID, individual difference. So this question involves the total versus the individual difference concept. Okay, so what's the TD? It is 23 plus 15. So there's a total of 38. The difference between the first and the second situation, A and B, is 38 chocolates. And what's the ID? Individual difference. Individually, every child should receive an extra one more between the two situations. So we have a formula to work out the number of groups. The number of groups G is equals to TD divided by ID. This formula always works when you do total versus individual difference concept. So let's take 38 divided by 1, the ID, and the answer is 38 groups. In this question, the groups represent the number of classmates. So there are 38 classmates altogether, not counting Arthur, and that is the number of classmates that he has actually given the chocolates to. So how many chocolates does Arthur have? Okay, so he has a total of 38 classmates times 4. If he gives everyone 4, he will have a leftover of 23, so we'll add that in, and that will give us a total of 175 chocolates. That's the answer. Okay, then of course you can also use the second situation B to take 38 times 5, and then you minus 15. You will also get the same answer of 175. This is just another different way to work out the same answer for part A. In part B, how many chocolates does Arthur buy? So he needs to buy, this is the answer for part B. The part A answer is actually he has 38 classmates. Okay, my mistake. So how many classmates does Arthur have? He has 38 classmates. How many chocolates does he buy? He buys 175.